Pennsylvania is inching closer to having congressional maps that will be in place for the next 10 years. The state Supreme Court now has the case. Dennis Owens listened to today's arguments and joins us live. Dennis.
Taylor, inching closer is good verbiage there. The legislature and governor, of course, could not agree on how to divide the state into 17 congressional seats. So the Supreme Court will now decide it. They have 13 maps before them, and today supporters of all 13 of those maps are arguing their case. The justices can pick one of the 13 or draw up their own. In today's testimony, it was agreed that all of the 13 would pass constitutional requirements of being compact and contiguous and not unnecessarily split communities of interest. One map, that of Republican State Representative Seth Grove of York, passed the House and Senate and was vetoed by the governor. A Commonwealth Court judge said that map seems fine to her. Grove says the Supreme Court should also choose it. Critics, though, say his map unfairly favors Republicans.
If a court were to choose a map that had been vetoed by the governor, it seems to me it's asserting its power over another branch of government, which I would think would be problematic.
I think it's an easy slam dunk case. We provided a map that is constitutional. It's a 9-8 Democrat leaning map that Republicans did.
He says easy slam dunk. It won't be, but it better be quick. The primary election is May 17th. The Department of State said they want to keep the primary on that day, and they're confident they can do so if the justices rule quickly. Testimony still going on right now. They're about to break for lunch, but this could go, Taylor, for hours.
And Dennis, the justices made it clear they didn't want to be doing this today.
That's right. Two of them, in fact, publicly complained that the governor and legislature should have done their job, should have come up with a map that they could agree on. They didn't. One of the justices said, "We are unwillingly forced to be here today." So they're being forced into this political game of picking the map, and they know there's going to be blowback on that, but they wanted to point out this should have been done by the governor and the legislature. We're going to go back and listen in. Taylor, we'll send it to you. Got much more later at 5, 6, and 7.
All right. Thank you, Dennis.